This video is about the fitness project for Elements. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the features and how it works. Now there's 3 pages set up. On each page we have a nice menu. This is set up as a global, so you can use this on new pages. We've also got a banner that is a global as well, so you can use that on new pages you create, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Then we've got this nice area for what we offer, and it's got some nice rollovers. You could use this for a lot of different things. And a nice button with a rollover. And a lot of these things have animations on them, and we'll need to head over to the browser to see this. So you can see there, this fades in, and as I scroll down, these also fade in as well and animate in like that. So it's really nice. This fades in, scroll down, and you can see this fade in, and we've got a nice text at the bottom there. Let's head over to the classes page. And here we have a video at the top here, but you can replace that with an image or a gradient or a solid color. We've got a nice timetable here. This is made up of grids and containers. And we've also got a filter. So it will filter out the other results there. So you can pick where you'd like to train, for example. But you could change this for anything you wanted. And then we've got these that fade in here. With a nice little rollover, and they get bigger. And you know, again, you can use these for anything. It doesn't have to be for this pricing table here. And down, as you can see, as I go into the next section, these slide in. And then we've got a nice little footer there. And the icons hover as well when you go over those. So let's go to the last page here, contact. Again, same nice fading in header. And these cards will fade in at different rates, that middle one there coming in later. And we've got this, again, another section where the items scroll in. And then we've got a nice Q&A here. These are all set up as one group, so you can only have one open at a time. You can easily change that if you like. And we also have a filter here as well, so I can start looking for things I'm interested in. And you can see they dim out the ones that are not relevant and highlight the ones that match. So I can look for classes and turn those down, and it all works live. So really good stuff. You can customize this, add as many FAQs as you want. Really go in and tweak this design. And then we've got another nice banner at the bottom here. So let's head back over to Elements. And I can show you how to set up a new page. So I'll click the plus button, and this will be our new page. We'll call this Find Us, and we'll go to our components, and I'll scroll down to my globals. So I can just throw on a menu. Boom, there it is. And I'll put on a banner. There it is. And I'll put on my footer. So now I've got the basics of a page, and I just need to put in my content. So I can put in a container there. And this is where I would add any content I wanted. So let's give a bit of spacing there. So we're ready to go. And I can obviously override the image in here. So we could pick any one of these. Let's override that. And we're going to drop in a new image. So if I go to my resources, we could just drop in one here. And we also want to override this text. So what I'm going to do in my global overrides, switch that on because I want custom text here, and I'll say Find Us, and I'll do the same for the subheading, override that. And now when I flick between my pages, you can see they are all different. Even though they're using the same global, this is really powerful to be able to do this. So I can quickly build out the sites I want. And if I wanted some of this content here, these aren't globals, but what I can do, I can Command C, I can copy this, come over to this page, Command V, paste it, and then we can come in here and we could customize this. Let's put in someone else there. You know, and then you can go in and maybe we don't want this. So you can go in and customize this however you want and drop in your own projects. Your own components. Again, let's have a look here. We've got some social icons. So if I wanted more of these, let's just pop this in here so we can see where we are. If I wanted some more of these buttons down here, what we could do is I could right click and just duplicate. Or when I'm in here, I can Command C, Command V and drop in another one. Let's go to our resources and maybe we have an RSS feed. I drop that one in. And on this one, let's see, what haven't we got? We haven't got YouTube, so I drop that one in. And now we've got more social icons and you just set these up. You just link them to wherever you want. Really easy stuff. And we could change the rollover effect here. If I select all the SVGs, we can go down to transform, I think. And you can see here, the start is on 0 and end is -5. And so that's why they jump up. You know, if I do -20, you'll see they pop down like that. 5, but we could scale those up as well. So let's get them to go up and scale. Maybe a little bit more. Let's go and preview that in the browser. And we'll scroll down on our new page. And now we've got these sizing up. So really easy to customize this project. It's set up like any other Element sites. You know, you can just customize all the settings. We could go and pick another color in here. So really easy to get this how you want. It does work with the themes as well. We're using the brand color. So let's go back to here. We're using the brand color. So this theme happens to be yellow. And you can see that change when I pick some of these other ones. So that is the fitness project. It's all set up, ready to go, free to download from the marketplace. Hope you find it useful to see how we've set up things and it could be the basis for your next project. This could be used for anything. It doesn't have to be for fitness. You could easily customize this with your logo and different headings and it becomes totally your own project. Okay, thanks for watching this one and I'll see you in the next.